Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class we have discussed about the de-schooling concept as well as the personal profile of philosopher Ivan Illich. In this class we are going to discuss about the one of the best known and well known literary work did by Ivan Illich in 1971. It's none other than De-Schooling Society. In De-Schooling Society is best known for most influential book. Illich articulated his highly radical ideas about schooling and education, drawing on his historical and philosophical training as well as his previous years of experiences as an educator. Illich presented schools as places of consumerism. He has used to depict the schools as a places called education business has been taken place. It's nothing but a consumerism is going on in formal education system where people are regarded as the customers and the teachers regarded as the businessman. The businessman is trying to sell something in the form of education. The customers are ready to receive from the businessman. It's the ironical or satirical message given by the Ivan Illich in his De-Schooling Society. Let us have a look on main content of the book. In his book, he is clearly segregated the information what he has propagated in the de-schooling or the concept of de-schooling. Book contains 7 chapters. First one is why we must de-establish the school. What is the necessity of de-establishing the present school system? Instead of having formal education with the formal institutions, we have to provide education for the students, those who have their own potentiality to learn or involve themselves in learning process. We have to de-establish the formal education system. In the first forward or first chapter, he is discussing on these matters. In the second, phenomenology of the school. He deciphers the concept of school into the society, into the home, into the house, into the peer group, into the community. He is not confined to the school education, to the institutions is formally established by the government as well as the private persons. Phenomenology of schools is nothing but school is always in the presence of society, or it is in society. Informally, students or the children are having the potentiality to learn from the community as well as the peer group and the parents by involving certain activities and life learning or life learning process. Ritualization of progress. We have to think that mere providing the educations to the upcoming generation, it doesn't mean that we are in the track of progress. By imparting education doesn't mean that we are in the track of progress. We are not supposed to ritualize the progress. We need to inculcate the skills which are help the people to lead better life by utilizing the skills or potentiality given by the society as well as the peer group by actively involving by the pupil or the children. Institutional spectrums. Institutional spectrum means we are supposed to de-schooling the system by de-establishing the formal education system and need to provide informal type of education in the non-formal means to the persons, those who are willing to study, and those who are unable to go to the formal education institutions, they are free to access their own knowledge with their own pace, in their own methodology. It's the obligation of the government to provide best knowledge, best inculcation of the skills and potentiality, professionalization and vocationalization of the people or the children by imparting quality instrument or quality instruments may help the de-institutionalization of the schools to develop a better society according to Ivan Illich. irrational consistencies. We are simply talking about the education, and mere talking in the classrooms will not decipher the concept of education. It's not mean that the transformation of something information from the teachers to the student. We have to create an environment where a student can get a best from the society and regard himself or herself as the human resource of the society. Irrational consistencies has to be reduced by providing deschooling methodologies to the children. Then instead of establishing the formal education institutions, there is a need of creation of learning webs. What we are evidencing in today, we are having the educational websites, and the best example for this is our LMS is also one of them. Then MOOCs, massive online open courses, Coursera, and many of the foreign universities are initiated so many types of online courses. In that there is no need to attending the regular classes. Distance education has been promoted by the government, and many of us are receiving the best education from distance education mode. These are the concepts which are proposed by the Ivan Illich in 1970s itself. It's created irrationalization of the education system by replacing the formal education institutions from learning webs. Rebirth of Epimethean man. Epimetheus is a Greek mythological character where he is not aware about the good things and bad things. GS had made a person called Pandora. He is received and married her, and have suffered from the misconceptions developed between themselves, because Epimethean man is nothing but a formal educated person has no clarity about the life as well as the work life. He is receiving some knowledge from the schools and is not applicable, though the knowledge which is received from the formal education is the workplace. It's like Epimetheus who is not aware about the good things and bad things. Then what are the few salient features of books, and what are the thoughts which are propagated by the Ivan Illich in his famous book? First one is, school is the advertising agency which makes you believe that you need the society as it is. See, it's a thought-provoking idea which is propagated by Ivan Illich. The formal education institutions are preserve the traditions, customs, and the status quo in the society. It's not provoking the thoughts which is new to the pupil. But the formal education or the better education, he needs to provoke the thoughts from the minds or young budding minds. Most learning is not the result of instruction. Instruction means the teaching process which is taken place in the classroom. It's not always the better one, and most of the learnings will happen from the outside of the class only. Because of that, we need to de-establish the schools. Man must choose whether to be rich in things or in the freedom of use them. See, we after the formal educations, we will award it from the certification from the formal education institutions, and we will join to the certain professions and the jobs. We will learn, we will earn money, and we doesn't know or don't know how to expenditure that money, or we have so many kinds of instruments but we have no idea about using them. Freedom is the best thing. What are the instruments, what are the environment is creating in between us is not the final one. Freedom is the things which are available in the premises we have to use properly without affecting anyone's life. These are the things. According to Ivan Illich, the purpose of education is to provide all that want to learn with access to resources at any time in their lives. Each and every person has his own rights to have best education in his lifespan from cradle to grave. We are not supposed to impose or insist the persons to receive education in certain period. He has freeness, he has the liberty to receive the education from his whole lifespan. Make it possible for all who wants to share knowledge, etc., to find those who want to learn it from them. We are not supposed to confine the educations to teachers and the children. Apart from teaching, many persons are well knowledgeable and where they are eager to share their knowledge. We have to give an opportunity to those persons to exchange their own views, ideas and knowledge to the people, those who are ready to receive from them. To create opportunities for those who wants to present an issue to the public to make their arguments known. By knowing something, it doesn't mean that understanding. Understanding means we have the ability to criticize the theory which is propagated by some other else, or we have to identify the good things and bad things from knowing something. It's the main idea, main intention of education or purpose of education according to the Ivan Illich. Ivan Illich has also proposed to establish the learning webs. Instead of establishing the formal education systems, we need to provide learning webs to the persons, those who are ready to receive the education. Reference services to educational objects, skill exchange has to be happened in the education process, peer matching should be there, reference services to education at large has to be created from the government and the society. If you want to create a knowledge society, if you want to have the best or better human resources, then we have to de-establish the schools and create learning webs whereby the students or the people can receive their knowledge by involving activities and in their own pace to the lifelong process. These are the things propagated by the Ivan Illich in his famous book De-Schooling Society. In this class, we have discussed about the concept of de-schooling and the proper objectives, contents of the de-schooling and the contents of De-Schooling Society, which is written by the Ivan Illich in 1970s. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.